am back with another video. Today, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm going to the dollar store and I'm gonna buy some stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna buy yet, but I'm gonna figure out what to create and spend maybe less than $10. Instead of buying something for 15 bucks somewhere, you could go to the dollar store and make it yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. It's gonna be really fun. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'm gonna head over there right now, so I will see y'all then. Guys, so I made it to my local dollar store and I'm about to go inside and let's see what we could create, y'all. So many cute knickknacks here. I have to show y'all. I am ready for Christmas. I kind of look want to make my own ornament. I feel in the dollar store. This is so cute. Look at that. I can't even buy me one of these. I might as well buy one of these. They're cheaper here than Walmart. I got one of these. I'm gonna make like a tissue thing. I'm gonna buy all the equipment. I'm gonna find something to put on top of here because I don't have top. So yeah, guys, I just left the dollar store. I can't wait to show you what I got. I got actually stuff I shouldn't be getting, but why did I get it? I don't know. But I'm gonna show y'all when I get home, and I will see y'all there. I honestly cannot wait to create this. What's up, you guys? I just came back home. I got a jar. What I'm gonna make is like a tissue thing. So I'm gonna put the tissues in here, and then I'm just gonna design and decorate it. So I'm gonna try to do an Astros jar. I don't have the utensils or anything, so I'm gonna try to hand draw it. It's gonna be really hard, but I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff I got. So I got this. I got these. I'm gonna put them on top. I'm gonna make them a little girly. Got these stickers. They look like this. They're like little pearls that I got. And then I got the words, of course. I'm gonna spell out Astros with these. And then I got this big letter so I could put the H in the middle and then draw the stars. And I got the tissue box there, of course, because I didn't have tissues to put anything in it, so I got that. And I'm gonna be using these paints right here I got. I have a whole set. Let's hope they work. I don't know. So I got this glue here so I could glue the little knickknacks on there so they don't come off. Well, let's get started. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, so no judgment. And I got all these for 7 bucks. I got all this for at the dollar store. Everything's $1. I need to get more stuff, but why did I get them? I don't know, because I want to. So see, everything is $1 on here. And I spent a total of 14 bucks. So got this. This is really cute. I'm gonna decorate it. This with the little pearls I bought. Just to make it more blingy, see? Dollar store stuff. If any other store sells this, decorated, whatever, it's gonna be like, oh, 10 bucks maybe. So $2, you can't beat that. Well, I'm gonna get started. I hope everything turns out really good. Let's hope, and let's get started. Guys, so I've already set the colors on there. I'm gonna be using this blue, and I'm gonna start painting it. I hope it sticks. We'll see. Double coat it. think I'm gonna apply the H first, and then I'm going to draw the star, because I really don't know how big I'm gonna draw the star. Do it silver, because they didn't have any white, any other colors. So silver's close enough. See? I'm going to apply glue on it, so it'll stick with the paint. I'm gonna use my hand. Why not? So I applied the H on it. It's taking forever to dry. See, it looks like this. And I'm kind of scared it's not going to turn out how I want it to be. But like I said, I'm trying to create this and trying to make it perfect. All right, you guys, I let this dry. Actually, it did work with the fan, but I still got to super glue the stuff because it's kind of lifting on the sides. So I'm going to start hot gluing this. Next, I'm gonna get these circles and I'm gonna apply them on the H. So I'm gonna put in here so it looks blingy. Oops, I think I touched it. Okay, this is one side. I'm gonna do this whole side and then I'll show y'all. The back of the cup, I'm gonna put Houston Astros and then I'm gonna apply these flowers all over it to be cute. And yeah, let's see how it turns out. All right, you guys, so I'm done doing the back. It says Houston Astros Mom. I don't know if you I have room for the other side? Probably not, but we'll figure something out. Alright, you guys, so I'm done. I think I'm done creating this, but look how pretty. Like I said, it says Astros mom. Houston Astros mom. And I'm gonna put the tissues inside. My hands, they're all messy. Alright guys, so I'm finally done. It looks like this. So I'm finally done. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. This is from the dollar store. Everything was $1 I created. Look at this. I probably would have been spending 20 bucks on this, but hey, $1. So I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you on the next. I forgot to show y'all with the tissue in there. This is what it looks like. I'm actually kind of proud of it.